It's like they just bought it off the lot type.
This is
The Porsche. This look like a new one, bro. With the wing, come check out the wing. Oh, it's a GT4. See it? Nice brake calipers. I'm saying humongous. Convertible. Summertime. What they call it? Interior. Oh man, it's cool. Thank you. You get the driver's seat. What color this interior? Ah, okay. That's clean. That's cool, bro. This is amazing. This is my first time in the Porsche.
yeah, this is my first time in the Porsche.
Let's go dap this guy up right quick. It's super cool. Let me get you in there. Get a peace sign. Let me get a peace sign. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. You trying to look cool? This little convertible. It's nice. Peanut butter. For real? Oh, snap. You get the driver's seat. Oh yeah, I get the driver's seat. What color is this interior?
It's called natural leather.
Oh, okay.
Like peanut butter color. Yo, this is amazing.
This is my first time in the Porsche.
Yo, this.
I gotta get this up.
Oh yeah.
Let's check the specs out. Oh, my
That's amazing.
You do that, man.
Oh, you got that.
You have to see me the footage. My battery low. That's a big motor for a little time.
See the turbo?
Yeah.
That's all.
This
This dope. Yeah. Nah, this is a little like a tone down.
Kind of larger.
Yeah.
Like a little smaller than basketball material, you know. You gotta send me that, bro. Just because I ain't. My phone was about to die as soon as we get out the car.
It's a little Lexus right here. Okay.
Oh, movie. Hey, kid.
Huh?
Get on camera. Hilton, how are you? Look at this one though. It's like they're the same car, ain't it?
Hey, this is the M2. They're both M2s.
Oh, okay. Let's get this one, bro. Convertible.
M4. This is the M4. You know what the M4 is?
Oh,
The
no.
M4 is amazing.
It's not the same as the M2?
No.
Yeah, this is super nice. The red
They got the carbon fiber.
coming bloody on the good.
Carbon fiber. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I ain't even peeped that. That's nice.
Yeah, it's hard.
Look at the tags, dude. They're from somewhere else. This is a Beamer too, huh?
Yeah, this is M4.
Okay.
Nothing. 600 on my dash.
Sheesh. Check them out. What size you think them is? 19.
Probably 21.
Yeah.
Nah.
I didn't even see this part. Same car. I'm about to walk right past it without getting on camera. Yeah, that's crazy. Benz, bro. Can't ignore the Benz like that ain't something serious. Convert. Yeah, this gotta be fast. How fast you think this go? How fast you think this go?
I bet he got 200 in that. Probably about 500. I bet.
Oh man. Oh, look, it look like an iPad. That's hard. Try. Yep, fresh out the lot looking like. She got them pipes.
This is faster than that for sure. It may not look like it.
For real.
But you can. This part.
But I can tell by the wing that it's something different.
This is a CC3.
The blue calipers with the blue.
Look at the rims. Those are racing rims.
It's hard, bro. Alright, let's go to the main attraction.
Bro, you're funny, bro. You're the one, man. What you mean, bro?
Now the color I'm obsessed with.
911 on my good.
Well, we finna get that. Oh, I just saw my favorite over there. We finna, GT63 point. Oh, it's a GT3, not 63. Nah, I just like this color.
I love this color. This color is like, I don't know. Look at this. Look.
Oh, the orange fatigue on the I see it.
Oh my God. This stuff. He put the spin wheel right here.
It's like, what kind of, I don't even know what this is.
It's a hot rod.
It's street legal?
Yeah, it's a hot rod.
It's amazing, man. Where the steering wheel is?
Look, it's right here.
Oh, okay. You just point that out.
I'm on the right side.
That's nice. That's nice, bro. They say these things is rare. Yeah. Dang.
Look, not left.
Where you see? Oh, right here? It's not a 11?
Yeah.
It's a 911. Big old brake calipers. That thing clean. It's not a hydraulic, bro. It's airbags.
Wait, what?
My daddy's had them on the box. Shit. Yeah, that thing clean. Let's see what this is. Before we look at the back, can you guess what it is? This Porsche.
Porsche GT something.
3. I don't think it's a GT3.
Listen, does not say.
Oh,
Most definitely.
I don't know which one it is.
Oh.
That's what you about to say, man.
Oh, come on.
All right. How's it going? Them brake calipers is humongous for no reason.
I got a Sentinel, but I had that one with the seats. Okay, I can do that.
Dang, nice one. It's good.
You got Type D on it to this. Type D on it to this.
You hear that?
It said, ha ha ha.
If he hit that gas, he gonna light the whole parking lot up, bro.
It said Chevy.
Yeah. Alright, I got it.
I'll see you around. All right.
Oh, that's hard.
Ooh, look at this.
Yeah, I am.
This thing gotta be bad. For real.
Look at the Tesla. Right here.
You know what kind of
This is the type of shit that make you stop, get caught. Make a rapper wanna give his song proper thought. I'm a different breed, I created.
Bro, look at this Tesla though. You can't just walk past the Tesla like this. I get it's electric, but it's a good car.
It don't make no noise. Don't nobody be having this.
Oh my goodness. That's hard.